How to change like button to follow button on Facebook page. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your Facebook application. After that, tap on the menu bar. Make sure you are logged in your correct Facebook page. As you can see, I am in my correct Facebook page. Now, simply tap on the profile icon. Tap on the three dot. After that, simply go to edit. Here, if you can find followers and public content, that's good. But if not, go back. Then go to the menu bar. After that, go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and then in this audience and visibility section, go to followers and public content. Now here in who can follow my page, make sure it is selected public and then save it. Make sure every option here is set to public and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.